Aloha and welcome to day 7, our last day of the Inner Calm Meditation Challenge. You've arrived at the final day, and this practice is about honoring your journey, integrating all you've cultivated, and closing with gratitude. Find a comfortable seat or lay down. Let your hands rest, closing your eyes. We'll begin with 5 rounds of deep belly breathing. When you're ready, inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Another deep breath in, allowing your belly to expand. Exhale, releasing tension. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale fully. Exhale with ease. One more round. Deep inhale. Slow, deep breath out. Returning to your natural rhythm. Bringing your awareness inwards. Let your body settle into stillness. Take a moment to fully focus inwards. Noticing the shifts within you since our day 1. Perhaps you feel calmer, lighter, more spacious. You may experience more clarity in your mind. Pause here, letting yourself acknowledge all those transformations. Noticing the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the rhythm of your breath that has carried you through every moment of this week. With each breath, imagine yourself drawing in calm, strength, and clarity. With each exhale, feel yourself softening, letting go, creating space. Bringing awareness to your body, starting at the crown of your head. Slowly scan downwards through your neck, shoulders, chest, your belly, hips, legs, all the way down to your feet. Noticing sensations, honoring how your body feels in this moment. Think back to your day 1 when we begin with grounding. Notice how far you've come, the shifts you've experienced, big or small. Perhaps a greater sense of calm, moments of clarity, or the gift of simply pausing for yourself. Now invite gratitude to your heart. Gratitude for your breath, steady, consistent, always guiding you. Gratitude for your body, carrying you through each practice. And gratitude for your inner strength that brought you here today. Gently repeat to yourself, I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this body. I am grateful for myself and this journey. Allow these words to echo softly within you. Feel the warmth of gratitude expanding through your chest, your heart. Maybe let it reach beyond you. Rest here for a few more breaths, basking in this wonderful feeling of gratitude. With every inhale, receive. With every exhale, release. Take a deep breath in, start to invite movement back into the body. Slow, steady inhale. Sigh your breath out, let go. You've completed the 7-day inner calm meditation. What a beautiful gift you've chosen for yourself. Take a deep breath in, stretch your arms up. Exhale, soften your hands to your heart space. Wrap your arms around yourself. Give yourself a big, well-deserved hug. And again, just gratitude for yourself for showing up. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for sticking with me. Mahalo and namaste. Congratulations, you've completed the 7-day inner calm meditation. That's 7 days of showing up for yourself, 7 days of practicing presence, and 7 days of creating more space and balance within. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.